Okay, this evening we're going to look at quadratic trinomials. Okay, quadratic trinomial is an equation in the form ax plus bx plus c. Alright, ax plus bx plus c. So the highest power is squared. Alright, so it has, so that makes it a quadratic. And what makes it a trinomial is that it has three terms. 1, 2, 3. Three terms. This is where the trinomial comes from. Alright, so first thing we're going to look at is how to factorize a quadratic trinomial. Alright, so we're just going to take an example, x squared plus 10x plus 21. Alright, so if we're asked to factorize, factorize basically means find the factors of this expression. Alright, quadratics, most of them, especially at junior cert level, will have two factors. Okay, so basically you're looking for two answers. Alright, two separate factors. So how do we go about doing that? Okay, method number one is called the bracket method. The bracket method. Now the bracket method is the most straightforward, probably has the least amount of steps, and it just takes a bit of practice. Okay, so the bracket method. Step number one. Okay, step number one is to multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant. Alright, now a coefficient, the word coefficient, okay, represents the number, in this case the number attached to x squared. So if we look to the left of x squared there isn't a number, but hopefully we'll remember that if there isn't a number, what that actually means is that the number there is 1. We just don't write it. Okay, so the coefficient of x squared is 1, and we're going to multiply that by the constant, and the constant in this case is 21, plus 21. Okay, so that's where the c up here comes from. C, I suppose, stands, in this case, will stand for a constant. It's the number basically by itself. It doesn't have an x squared or an x attached to it. So 1 by 21 is 21. Alright, so that's the first step, straightforward enough. Step 2, find all pairs of factors of 21. So what are the pairs of factors of 21? So there are two numbers which multiply together to give you 21. So from step 1 we can see that 1 by 21 is one pair, they give you 21, and we have 3 by 7. If you also multiply them, you get 21. Alright, so that's all. That they're doing two pairs of factors we have. Step number 3, which pair of factors adds to plus 10? Now you're rightly asking, where did we get this plus 10 from? If you look back at the original quadratic, we had a 1x squared plus 10x plus 21. This is where I got my 10 plus 10 from, and we'll see where it all clicks into place now in a minute. Which pair of factors adds to plus 10? So we have 1 plus 21, that adds up to 22. We have 3 plus 7, and yes, that adds up to 10. So we're going to take 3 and 7, and so step number 4 is to put final factors in brackets. Okay, so we're going to take our factors that we just found there, x plus 3, okay, and x plus 7. Alright, and x plus 3 is a factor, and x plus 7 is a factor, and these are factors of x squared plus 10x plus 21. Okay.